Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your CVS pharmacy account. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your CVS pharmacy account, start by visiting the CVS website. Click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. When the sign in page appears, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the reset process. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your CVS account. Type your email address into the provided field and click on the Submit button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from CVS. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder as well. Open the email and look for the link to reset your password. Click on that link, which will direct you to a new page. On this page, you will be asked to enter a new password. Create a strong password that you haven't used before. Re-enter your new password to confirm it. Once done, click the Submit button to save your new password. You should see a confirmation message indicating your password has been reset. Now, you can return to the sign-in page and enter your email and new password. Log in to your CVS pharmacy account successfully. Your account is now ready to use with the new password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.